Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I will do the RAM management test in the OnePlus Nord 2 by using the 5 GB of RAM expansion option. Yes friends, a lot of users are actually asking me to do this kind of video, but you might be wondering where can I find the expansion of the RAM in this OnePlus Nord 2. So don't worry friends, I got a application which is listed in the Play Store. So this is an application which has been recommended by a few of my users. They did ask me to install this application and try to extend by 5 GB and try to use the same 10 games which I used to test before, because previously what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2 is that this phone was unable to store more than 5 games in the background RAM management. But by using this application, let's see whether we can actually do that or not. So first you need to know about this application. What is the application importance? So once you install and open the application, you can actually create similar to the external RAM capabilities like virtual RAM. Yes, you can actually boost that RAM, but let's see in the real life, is it working or not in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. But I think low-end mobile phones, they can definitely take advantage of this one. I'm not sure exactly in the OnePlus Nord 2 this will work out or not. Right now I need to select exactly how much amount of GB I need to give. So I'll try to type 5000 MB, so it will be kind of close to 5 GB around that. So after entering the value, just need to click on the create swap. But before that, you should know what is my storage of the phone. So this is my storage friends, as you can see exactly. Let me to go back and come to the storage. So 97.2 GB is my storage. Okay, after using that option of 5 GB, now my internal storage should reduce by 5 GB. Let's see whether it is happening or not. So is the create RAM step. Let it click yes. Right now it's continuing the creating the swap file. You can see clearly. So this doesn't require any kind of root, nothing at all. So let's see. I'll try to show you the internal storage, whether it got decreased or not. From 97 it should come down to 92. So this may take some time. So 5 GB, yes. So successfully it's done. 5 GB now it's done. Let me go back and check the phone storage. So you can clearly see here from 97 it increased to 102, not 92. Sorry friends, my bad. So I decreased instead of increasing. So phone storage has been increased. You can see 102 used. Right now it been used. So that is what meaning is. Before only 97 MB used, but right now 102 GB is used. So from phone storage it took some 5 GB, as you can see clearly right now. So 102 GB is used. So 5 GB got exactly transferred from the internal storage. Now I need to clear everything from the background application. So all the apps are completely clean from the background. So your phone is at best performance. And right now one more thing, I'm trying to use even the RAM boost, which is available in the settings option as well. So using all these things, using the RAM boost, using the even application to try external RAM capabilities as well. But let's see whether the phone will be able to store these games in the background or not. That's what my main point of making this video. So if you're watching my previous videos about the OnePlus Nord 2, you will definitely understand. In the RAM management thing, in terms of the applications, it was working fine. So loading 10 applications and 15 applications, not an issue. But keeping games in the background, the phone was unable to do it. So previously I did use a couple of OnePlus phones. They did perform really good. OnePlus 80, OnePlus 9R, they can store 10-15 games also in the background RAM management. But because of this ColorOS and the OxygenOS got mixed, so only then all this problem got started. The RAM management is totally became worst in this phone, in the OnePlus Nord 2. So that's the reason a lot of users are actually looking for this kind of alternate option, just to see whether this will help any user or not. Even I'm going to check. Even I need to investigate myself. So let's see. So 5 GB got used from the internal storage from 97 to 102 GB. And next is Eleclam Racing. Let's see this game. Yep. And I'm just trying to keep opening all the applications. If this is working, this is going to be really very good thing friends, if it is working hopefully. So previously it used to open only 5 games in the background RAM management in the OnePlus Nord 2, 5 games 100%, but 6th game is kind of doubtful previously. But after using this thing, so I'm going to be really yep. Right now all the 10 games are completely open in the background RAM management. As you can see friends, all the 10 games are completely open in the background RAM management, and I'll try to open one by one game. I'm trying to open as you can see. So 4 games no problem, and 5 games also no problem. As I said, 5 games are completely fine. Now here comes the task, which is smash it. Let's see this game can actually load or not. Is that virtual RAM from the Play Store, is it helpful or not? No. At this point, even that application is not helpful at all, even though you use 5 GB. It's not helping. As you can see friends, clearly, we got the proof, right? So I don't think friends, RAM management, anything, it will be helpful in the OnePlus Nord 2. Even if you try to use those kind of applications, it doesn't work properly. So maybe for the low end models, maybe it might be able to work, but in the OnePlus Nord 2, I cannot see any kind of improvement in terms of the RAM management in this phone. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And this exact developer settings which is available in the OnePlus Nord 2, if you want you can take a look at the standard background process limit. So I did select only standard one, so I did not select any other at most one process, nothing at all. I did select only standard one. I did not enable any other option at all, but still you are able to only keep 5 games in the background in the OnePlus Nord 2. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.